Luar Kapatisi TV. Ka Undi Basnyam Bat Penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kan long gasin ka baningkong ha ka history jong ka jela Meghalaya ba menteri rang ba ka jela Conrad ki Sangma ba kob haladi ya ka jingsongret ha ka step khat khandai trek pra arjar apsan ula khot ban ya disha step ya ki Nongtrei ka Shillong Municipal Board ki baju pendep hok ya la ka jong ka kamram bansar penku ji ki babon ki benta jong ki jaka ha ka nongba Shillong khanang banwanra ya ka jingkho jingsuba ha ki lentish nong bat ha ki Surok kaleng kasor. Menteri rang ba haba jingkran syakini ki Nongtrei jong ka Municipal ula ai kublai yaki bat ongru babon ki pajba nongsong snong jong ka jela ki juero ba hadu kata-kata ya ka jingdon jong kini ki Nongtrei ka Municipal ki baju sar penko ya ki jabo jaban ha ki yogi had bat ha ki Surok.
I want to tell you personally that so many people have told me about how happy they are to see all of you work so hard and keep our city clean. So don't think that people are not noticing. People are noticing, people are very happy, and people are very proud to see all of you do this. And I, on behalf of the state and people of Shillong city especially, would like to really take this opportunity to thank all of you. So don't think you're doing a simple thing. What you are doing is making a huge impact on how our city is clean, how our tourists feel about the city, and the citizens of the city also, and the state, how they feel about their capital. Today, my whole purpose of calling you to the Chief Minister's bungalow is only to express our gratitude to you. This is Christmas season, and obviously Christmas is a time of joy, of love, of sharing happiness with everyone. And sometimes in life, we tend to ignore a lot of people and take people for granted. But maybe this is the time when we don't take people for granted. So Christmas time is the time when we share our joy and happiness. And so the reason I've called all of you is to share the joy and happiness of Christmas with all of you. We're to share a cup of tea, a small maybe cake we'll have together. We'll celebrate Christmas together. We'll celebrate the work that you're doing, which, as I said, is not a small thing. You're doing a lot of big things. Trust me, the impact that you're doing is really making our city much better.